Assalamualaikum, good morning. My name is Amirul. I'm a Senior Procurement Manager.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Akila. I am a HR representative.
Hi, I'm as a candidate, Muhammad Azrin.
Alright, good morning Mr. Azrin. Thank you for your coming in today. How are you doing?
Good morning, Mr. Amirul and Mrs. Akila. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I appreciate this opportunity to interview with your company.
Hi, Azri. We're glad to you here. Before we begin, could you please introduce yourself and share a bit about your background?
Certainly, my name is Muhammad Azrin bin Nasiruddin. I have 15 years of experience in warehouse operation, procurement and supply chain management. Currently, I'm working as a supervisor in the operation department at Tenaga Nasional Berhad, where I oversee a procurement process, supplier management and cost control. I am highly skilled in negotiation, inventory management, and logistic coordination. And I'm eager to bring this skill to Toyo Tire Sales and Marketing Malaysia Sdn Bhd.
Mr. Azrin, you mentioned having extensive experience in procurement and supply chain management. Could you describe a time when you successfully negotiated with a supplier to reduce cost or improve service quality?
Certainly, at TMB, we faced an issue where key supplier prices were increasing, impacting our operational budget. I initiated a negotiation by conducting a market analysis and identifying alternative supplier. Using this data, I engaged in discussion with our current supplier, highlighting competitive pricing and long-term business relationship. As a result, we secure a cost reduction of 12% while maintaining quality standard. This not only save costs but also strengthen our supplier relationship.
Okay, Mr. Azri. How do you handle situation where there are delay in supplier delivery that could impact operation?
In my role, I frequently deal with supplier delays. I believe in a proactive problem solving. For example, when faced with a major delay in critical material, I immediately assess our inventory levels, identify alternative source, and expedite order where necessary. Additionally, I work with the supplier to improve their delivery schedule by offering demand forecasting insight. This minimizes disruption and ensures smooth operations.
Okay. So, Mr. Azrin, procurement roles can be fast-paced, especially when dealing with urgent orders and tight deadlines. How do you manage pressure when prioritize tasks effectively?
I thrive in the high-pressure environment by maintaining strong organization skills. I prioritize tasks based on urgency and impact, utilizing project management tools and clear communication with the supplier and internal teams. In urgent situations, I stay calm, assess the available option, and take swift action to ensure business continuity.
Okay, why do you want to join Toyo Tire Sales and Marketing Malaysia Sdn Bhd?
I'm highly interested in this opportunity because Toyo Tire has a strong reputation in the automotive sector, particularly in innovation and quality. I admire the company dedication to excellence in procurement and supply chain management. Given my experience in supplier relations, cost control, and logistic coordination, I believe I can contribute significantly to the efficiency and the success of the company procurement operations.
Okay, thank you for your response, Mr. Azrin. Do you have any question for us?
Yes, I'd like to understand more about the company long-term procurement strategy and how the procurement executive role contribute to achieving those goals.
Okay, that's a great question. Our strategy focus on cost efficiency, supplier partnership and sustainability. As a procurement executive, you will play a key role in optimizing supplier relationship, ensuring cost-effective sourcing, and supporting our sustainability in the chain.
We appreciate your time today, Mr. Azrin. We will review all candidates and get back to you soon. Thank you for your interest in Toyo Tyre Sales and Marketing Malaysia Sdn Bhd.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Azrin.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to your feedback. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Mr. Azrin.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.